Hi and welcome back to the Okeechobee Libraries channel. I'm Jessica and today I'm doing a take-home kit that is called Fishbowl Paper Plates. And I'm just going to run through everything that should be in your take-home kit. You will have 1 paper plate, 3 or more of your little yellow squares, 5 to 9 green strips of paper. You'll have your fish template, okay, and your bag of sand, which is going to be multicolored. You'll have 2 types of blue paint, and you'll have 1 googly eye. We are going to start by painting our plate, and you can use a sponge or just a regular brush. Alright, your whole plate should be your dark blue, and then you're going to add your lighter paint. Alright, and then you're going to let your plate dry. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut out our fish template. The next step you're going to do is you're going to take and glue your little square of paper onto your fish. Then you're going to let this dry. Once your paper plate is dry, then you're going to want to take your green sheets and then twist them like so, and start pulling them apart. So I'm just taking and crumpling it up as I'm moving them around. That looks good. And then you're going to glue that onto your paper plate. Alright, then we're going to let this dry. And by now, our fish is probably dried, and you can take and cut the excess paper off. Then we're going to glue on the fishy's eye. Next step is putting your sand on your plate. Alright, you're going to want to put glue on the lower part of your plate here from about here all the way down. And you'll want to get the glue evenly spread. So I'm going to use a paintbrush and I'm going to get it all over here and then sprinkle my sand on there. And it's going to look like that. And then once this dries, then you're going to want to put your fish on, glue them on right there. And this is what you have. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked it. And if you want to see any more videos like this, just click like and subscribe down below. Bye.